channel. My name is Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. My hair, I don't know, you probably haven't seen it in a while. I actually lifted the color out of it. Now it's growing back. There's like no product in here, but I mean, it's a look. I don't know what look it is. I don't hate it. It's like a 27. You know how I feel about a 27. Okay, so in this wig review, I am doing another Janet Collection wig. And this is one of their Brazilian scent protein infused wigs. Her name is Coral. I have her in the color Cappuccino. She comes in a lot of colors. And this says 100% natural Brazilian human hair, like styled like human hair. I hate when they put that in there. It says Swiss lace pre-tweezed part. This is a full cap wig. It does have like a lace part, but it's not a lace front. And I scooped her up from Wigtypes for $17.16. So this is Miss Coral here. I'm really liking the color. It does definitely have like a darker, probably number 2 root. And you can see it is tweezed. And then, of course, there's, I'll show you the cap construction on this. Definitely a yaki texture. I love a yaki straight wig. She has, see that lace parting there, 2 combs in the front. You can see that machine made right in there. There is a lace part, though. And then there's no combs in the back, and there's the adjustable straps. Now, typically, Janet Collection wigs for me tend to be a little bit big. So I'm just going to tighten her. Before I put her on, no, let's put her on. I was going to cut a V in this really quickly, but let's put her on and see what the situation is. I'm so happy I'm back to filming in the morning. I have such a hard time with the time change here. You know, I live in Pennsylvania, so not only is there, you know, a time shift, but it also affects whether it's lighter or darker or what. It really messes with my sleep pattern. So I'm back to it being lighter earlier, so I kind of feel like, you know, inside I want to get up. I like filming before work. I feel like I at least get in, you know, I can get in a lot of reviews and test wigs out for that whole day because I'm wearing them to work. So I like doing that. So I'm glad I'm back to that because I was just legit power reviewing, meaning I was doing I would take a Friday, I get off early on Fridays, I would take a Friday and a Saturday and just legit film 20 videos. It was getting, and I don't hate doing that, but I don't like that as a normal situation. Okay, put my wigs on, back to front. Sha. Oh, okay, Coral, hey. Actually don't hate this. Where's the wig tabs? Okay, so here's the ear tabs. So she kind of wants to be a middle part, really. I thought I would want to cut a V in it, but I guess, I don't know for sure. I don't feel like that's horrible in terms of looking realistic. I'm kind of liking her. All right, let me see what I can do with her. I really don't feel like I have to do much. I'm actually a little bit shook. And I will be back to talk to you. I mean, I'll still be here, but then we'll talk. That basically took nothing. They do have these little baby hairs that you could sort of set down, this reminds me a lot of sort of those free tress equal lace parting wigs that I really love. Like you have Viva and Valentino in those. I think this looks great, actually. I wasn't sure if I would like it. You know, I did had to, it was a little humpy, a little bit. I love the color. I think the color blend is super nice and realistic. The wig cap is comfortable. I would like to have a comb in the back, but I feel like with this, because it's straight, it doesn't really need it. The hair texture is nice. I'm not getting any tangling. I didn't get any shedding. I mean, this one is a steal. 17 bucks. Get her in a couple different colors. Easy to put on, lickety split in the morning. You're late for the meeting, but you want to look cute. Yeah, I love her. I actually am saying that. I'm happy. I love her. I really recommend her. Let me know if you have this wig and if you have her in other colors, if you suggest a color to me. Oh, shoot. I'm over here like done. She is very layered. I would say she's at the very bottom. She's probably almost 20 inches. I'm 5'6.5", and just her big bottom layers. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, look at that nice color blend. Great movement. This is all of it. So it's not a huge density. She's not like really heavy or anything like that. So I like that. This is all the hair to the front. So it's a really good density. You could shift her a little bit. She's shifted. She's in the middle, but she's on a slight left side, but not fully. I mean, I could put her all the way in the middle. I think she's just really cute. She's flirty. She's easy. She's sassy, and I like her, Coral. Good job. All right, so that's my review. Quick and painless. Love her. I will see you in my next video because you're going to subscribe or you're already subscribed. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a super fabulous day. Bye.